at Standard TV and Appliance on the north end of Bend. We're in their beautiful demo kitchen. And Chef Ingrid, thank you so much for helping us out.
It's my pleasure.
Tell me what we're making.
We're making chicken sauté, spicy peanut sauce, and cucumber salad.
That sounds fantastic. And you've got the nice spread out here. We've got our groceries that you grabbed at Newport Avenue Market. And I'm excited to pick your brain as a chef about some techniques and different things we can use in a kitchen, you know, at home, or if you're maybe in the market for a new range, something like that.
Well, we've got all our mise en place laid out. We're just going to start by making the marinade for the chicken.
Okay.
And we're going to start with ginger.
Okay.
A little known fact is that when you are using ginger, you don't have to peel it all the time. So if you're going to puree it, you only want to chop in this direction to cut the fibers so that you don't have any strings in there.
Then the marinade gets chopped garlic and yellow curry paste.
So with chicken satay, is that common that you use yellow curry?
Usually.
Right on.
And it really makes the color very vibrant. We're also going to add some turmeric to get that really yellow color.
Big time.
Chef Ingrid has some time working in many styles of restaurants. For this meal, we're drawing on her experience where they serve Thai food.
I'm going to add a little coconut milk for my marinade. If you're doing a curry, you would leave the fat on top and use the fat to cook down the curry.
Oh.
If you were making like a Thai style curry. But for this one,
yeah, what's the reason behind that?
Well, it's the fat that you use instead of using like extra oil.
The immersion blender is a great tool when mixing up liquids or marinades.
Okay.
All right.
Let's do a little taste test and see how we did.
Yeah, you got to taste along the way, right?
As a chef, it's part of your job.
That's right.
And one for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What are you looking for at this point?
You're looking for the flavor of the curry, the sweetness, the salt content.
Delicious.
Got a little spice on the back.
Fish sauce and sriracha are also added.
You want to be careful with using lime juice. If you're going to let the marinade sit for a long time, it'll break down the chicken. Then we're going to add our sugar. This is the coconut flour sugar. You could use palm sugar. Normally they would use that, but I just bought this in Thailand.
I know, I love that you brought it here for us too.
Last week.
Right.
And so I wanted to play with it. And then we're going to add just a touch of cilantro. And maybe a touch of black pepper.
We're using parchment paper underneath as Chef Ingrid weaves chicken onto the skewers.
Great.
With a grill like this, you want to get it lubricated with a little bit of spray oil.
Oh yeah, nice.
And basically, we're going to do some grill marks.
Right.
In the meantime, we're making a refreshing cucumber salad for the side.
All right, yes, a cucumber salad to go with our main entree. And what in the world is that?
So this is a mandolin.
Ooh, that's an intense looking mandolin.
It's a scary looking mandolin. A mandolin is a dangerous, very dangerous thing.
They can be.
So I urge you to use caution. If you are using one of these, they will really hurt you.
Once the cucumbers have been thinly sliced, carrots are then julienne to be added into the mix.
We're going to add some ginger that I minced before. Since we're going to be looking at it, I took the skin off this time.
Yes, right, okay. That does make a difference.
Yeah, just a little touch of chopped garlic. This is my favorite stuff.
Oh,
this
rice wine
is,
vinegar.
but it's seasoned rice wine vinegar. You don't have to try so hard. The balance is already there. And then we're going to add just a touch of this stuff.
Yeah, fish sauce.
And then we're going to add a little bit of water so that it's not too strong. Just a splash. Tone it down a bit.
Okay.
A little bit of black pepper.
And all these ingredients too, you know, are things that you can find at Newport Avenue Market in some version or another, but it's fun to explore.
They have one of the better selections of Asian ingredients, for sure.
Chef Ingrid is showing us an easy meal to cook at home.
Moving on to peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce, all right.
Start with some peanut butter or fish sauce.
Okay.
Which is lime's best friend. Again, with the ginger. Just a touch of turmeric.
All right.
Not like last time.
There you go.
For this one, I'm going to use the syrup.
Okay, yeah, coconut flour syrup.
Yeah. And then,
all right,
let's give it a whirl and see how it goes. All right. And we'll do a taster on this one too. All right, one for you.
All right, thank you.
Let's see.
Peanutty.
Peanutty. Good, good, good.
And a little hot.
The end result is something pleasing to your eyes and your palate.
For me,
for you.
Delicious, thank you. I'm just
You're very
go into it with
welcome.
this here. Yeah, cheers. I love that.
You can browse kitchen appliances, gadgets, and more at Standard TV and Appliance, located on Bend's North Side. Newport Avenue Market carries many of the items featured here today. For another edition of Taste This, I'm Emily Kirk.